capabilities of these four models, starting with Deepseek, and I'm testing two games. One is Flappy Bird, and the other is Brick Break, which has done a lot of thinking, indeed, right? Okay, let's paste in the game. Okay, code, paste it, and saved. It's wrong. I thought very quickly. I couldn't tell how many seconds. Let's paste it in. Okay, new one, save. Okay, Flappy Bird, sharp pie. It's wrong. Okay. Let's hold this. Okay, much easier. The same prompt. Okay. Actually risen for only a couple of seconds. Nice. Okay, let's key in. I have to hold it. Number 4, Google Gemini 2.0 Pro. So build the game Flappy Bird. It came back with an answer very quickly, actually, as a reasoning model. Well, this is worrying. Just give it a shot anyway. So, paste in. Probably takes some downloading on the first run. So save, run. Okay, downloading, error downloading. Okay. So you could tell that the game created by Deepseek scores number 1, even if the model thought for a very long time. Not only in performance but also in graphics. Second comes the SHA, which is fine, but the challenge levels could be improved. Number 3 comes OpenAI. The game actually initiated, but we could see that the player can't get through the second obstacle. So the game essentially doesn't work. And number 4 comes Google Gemini 2.0 Pro. On the first try, it didn't work, but I believe after a few tweaking, it can eventually work. So in conclusion, the winner is Deepseek in terms of coding the first game. Now let's move on to the second one. It thought for so long. Well, let's copy the code and see the performance. Copy here, paste, save, implement. Okay, it's the most beautiful one. Well, it's fun playing this game. It works quite well. Okay. Do I press here to start? Here's the code. Let's copy it, paste it, save it, and implement. Okay. Okay, game over. 2.0 Pro to implement a brick breaking game. And here's the code. It took a few seconds. Okay, I'm going to copy it and paste it. Save it. Run. That's interesting. Right, left, left, right. Okay, it does not exact any control. Okay, end of misery. 3 mini high to craft a brick breaking game. Okay, here's the code. Let's copy it and paste it. Save it. Wrong. Right. It's quite a blast. Okay, break. Still, Deepseek scots #1 despite its long time thinking. Next comes OpenAI and Le Chat, while Google Gemini 2.0 Pro failed epically. Now let's move on to building a simulation. I've seen posts on X about the simulation of balls bouncing, spinning hexagon container. It's fantastic. So I actually came up with the idea of showing the simulation of water molecules while it is evaporating. So it involves physics, well, gravity, and the forces between the molecules. Okay, so I just gave a very simple prompt to see how it works. Well, it seems ChatGPT didn't work, but before it gets offline, I actually extract some code. So fortunately, we can test it out. So I'll skip the process for key in the prompt. So as you can see, we start by Deepseek. Again, it thought for like 5 minutes and something, 4 minutes, right? So it's been careful. So I quite look forward to its final product. Okay, that's a code. I skip the process of pip install. So as you can see, by this simple prompt, Deepseek could return a code snippet while Le Chat needs another spare. But that's from Google. Actually failed on first try, so prompt again. But anyway, let me show you the final product. So let's start with Deepseek. So okay, here shows 200 molecules according to the code. I didn't count actually. So in the beginning it's very slow, but we could see the bouncing action. Let's try zoom in, and as you can see, the molecules are escaping, and that's the actual effect of the evaporation. To me, the physics process is reconstructed quite well. except the part that um, the remaining molecules should have less kinetic energy, so they tend to move slower. So that's a flaw. But actually, they are accelerating, as we can see. Okay, so roughly, I can say it's a pass. Now, let's move on to the code generated by O3 Mini High, and let's run it. Okay, it failed on first try. Now the SHA seems it's able to run. It takes a while. Okay, here we are. Oh, it's 3D space. Nice. But it's static. Why? Okay, this is a fail. So let's see, Google Gemini actually gets the second pass. Second chance. Let's give it a go. Okay. Wow, similar window, but so nothing is going on here except these bars are moving forward. Obviously, this is a fail. Well, probably I should upgrade the prompt next time, but for today, I'd say Deepseek scores #1 in the coding challenges. But this is only for the reference. But we could tell that while we are adjusting the criteria and the input prompts, the result could be different. But generally, I'd say, despite the long thinking time of Deepseek, it fulfilled the tasks quite well. Okay, so this is the review for today. Thank you for watching.